Dick Thickums, attorney at law.
He handles domestic abuse with a baseball bat.
So somebody has to get beat with a baseball bat twice in the same week.
Twice in the same week.
Right, you're out.
You're right.
This is going really fucking far south.
Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she tried to...
Up next, we have Neko 39869.
You sound like you're on a fucking intercom in a bowling alley.
Yeah, there is a cardboard cutout.
Somebody just screamed in game. What the fuck?
I heard it.
Oh, I scuffed that.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you know how that shot made me feel?
Jesus Christ.
I think I know how to deal with this. We're gonna hit both of them. And then... FUCK!
I've been drinking water.
Oh, I... Fuck.
You got them going.
Fuck! Go! Yeah!
That's what we like to call toxic masculinity. Prepare for disappointment is the name. Oh no.
An autobiography of Rogue Alphonse. Nope, nope, nope. Yep, yep, yep. Oh.
Fuck.
It was really hard.
God damn it.
We're gonna do another shot in a little bit.
Fuck! God! Mmm!
It's okay.
God! Why have you abandoned me? Ah!
That was awesome. Hey, Dova, how is that shortcut working out for you?
Ah! Ah! Fuck!
It's gonna have an actual.
Oh my fucking god!
Butthole. No, you're not in the best place.
Fuck! Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Uh-oh.
Oh, fuck.
Oh no, Mr. Krabs.
I'm used to the other golf game.
Oh!
Why not Heinz beans in a rich tomato sauce?
wishes.
Because
It's
fucking denied.
Well, boys, it's been nice. Real fucking nice, let me tell you. Why is my mic
Alright. Oh no. I lead. I want to win a game. Come on. No, I want to win. Okay, alternative plan. Oh!
Oh my god.
Please.
Oh my god.
I'm going to break something. I'm gonna run out of strokes. Okay, I'm not winning this game anymore. Got it. Oh great, a honey trap. God damn it.
Alright.
Oh my god!
I want somebody to walk in and see this.